What's up guys, this is Abjeet from Abhigekya Tech Buy, and today we would review certain best utility applications of 2017 that would help your smartphone to do much more in your simple great life. So the first application which we would review is known as Smart Tools. It's an application which includes certain types of sensors, means the default sensors which you are having in your smartphone. It helps us to do that thing. So though the application includes the ruler, leveler, calculator, stopwatch, LED light in notifications, etc. There are certain types of things that are included on this smart tool, and the main concept of using this smart tool is that it has to do much more. Like you can see, the sound sensor helps to calculate the sound density. You can see check the channel based on what kind of sound it is, normal or not, or pitch is great or not. So this application includes a certain type of utility in which you can do much more. Like you can if you don't have a calculator, you can do that. If you don't have a stopwatch, you can do that. Whenever you are running or doing jogging, you can use this application to do much more. Like you can also, there is a pedometer, default pedometer, there is a tuner, there is a time zone aspect, there is a accelerometer, the night vision camera, the many much thing is included on this tool type of application that helps us to do much more as beyond the perfection. So also there is a default notepad you can see. So based on the concept of using this is, do check this application, there is link below. The next application is Amaze File Manager. So it's a great application because as per File Manager is concerned, it categorizes on the basis of how it does certain things. Like in this File Manager, the main concept, you can see the storage includes a certain type of parameters in which there are certain types of recent files. There are certain types of DCIM files which are included in the DSLR aspect. Also there are certain files like it categorizes very well. Like it categorizes on the basis of musics, movies, MP3 players, recent type of file managing things like doc files or zip files, etc. Also you can connect to FTP server application in which it connects with a certain type of server which has been there, and you can use that also. So it's a great application as per concern of utility, and it's a file manager. There is a link below. You can surely go and check this application. There is also an app manager which is been defaultly available in it. You can check and manage your applications also, and as per perfection. The aspect ratio is very great, so there is link below to use this. Also you can see that the atrocity looks very premium on our device. The next application is AnyDo app. So to-do list are the main concern of many persons. The persons who are busy schedule in meetings and different types of aspects, they don't find an application that matches with their thing. So it's a great thing in which you can do much out of it. So you can set a reminder for a call, for a message, for pick up something, for sending a mail, for sending an SMS in a particular time, also checking missed calls in a certain time. Or also you can do that thing like if you want to call a certain person after 15 minutes, great. The default calendar is been also there in this application, which is being synchronized by the Gmail account. So the main concept of using this is that any birthday of a friend or any other thing or any other meeting is being included on this calendar, and it's great. It looks like an Outlook. Normally if we see, there are certain types of themes which are there, which helps us to do certain way. The premium level is coming around 1350 rupees. So there is no way to go to premium, because in the free edition there are much more things which are free. So very great application. The next application which we'll review is known as Fingerprint Quick Action. The main concept of this application is, if you have a fingerprint reader in your smartphone, you can use this application by using the utility at a much level high of the doing certain types of tasks by tapping on the fingerprint. That a main concept. You can see also you can blacklist certain applications that you don't want on your device to go defaultly to do that. Also, I found out to be pretty great utility because you can go to sleep mode, you can go to back, home, etc. Pull the toggle of the applications down, or check the recent applications, show power off to your device by tapping on the back button. You can power off your device you can see that by clicking on the fingerprint on the backend side. We found out that it opened the recent applications at a very great perfection. You can see it helps us to do certain types of things with the utilization of our fingerprint that was not way available in the beforehand. It do certain tasks like also toggle notifications downward, that by tapping on the fingerprint you can see that the notification toggle goes downwards. So this is a great application as per utility is concerned, because with the help of a fingerprint reader you can normally do much more things. Also you can launch applications that you must set, like by clicking on open your WhatsApp or Facebook, etc. The next application which we would review is known as utility tool application. It consists of a converter based on converting things like kilograms to centigrams, etc., or meters, etc., or miles, hectare, yard, root, etc. Also there is a currency calculator which helps us to convert currency on the basis of Indian rupees to US dollars, etc. Sorry for the ads which are coming, because it is defaultly includes the ad also, so we can't do anything. The next thing which we would talk about is also it has the QR code reader which is defaultly available in it. You can change and cause on the QR code aspect, which helps us to do certain types of things. Also it has a default compass which is being included that helps us to do away, but not sit much perfect, but as per utility application is concerned, great. The next application which we would review is known as photo vault application. So if you are looking for security or privacy concern of your photos, things or pictures, and you have a decent type of gallery in which there are certain types of things that as per photo aspect you don't want to share to your friends or family or anyone, you can surely use this application as a default. It has a based bypass security in which you can set certain type of password and you can move the pictures which are in the gallery to this application photo vault. It creates a vault out of it by doing certain way. Also you can delete it, you can crop certain things on this application, and also you can create certain way of using the Wi-Fi hotspot also to transfer certain types of photos which are being included. The main concept of using this is if you are peculiarly looking for a photo vault in which you can change your privacy based on having, you can see the default password. It would take you further to unlocking the photo vault. Without that it couldn't work. So as per privacy is concerned, it looks very great as per photo vault is concerned. So you can surely check this application, it's great. There is link below. Also you can see that it looks very great as per utility is concerned. The last application which we would review is known as Dumpster. It's default application because it creates and acts like a recycle bin for your smartphone. So if by mistakenly if you have deleted certain photos, also you can check certain themes which are included on it. Like if you are running to the gallery by clicking pictures, and you can certainly saw that you have deleted certain things in your gallery. It acts as a recycle bin. The main concept of this application's feature is that the photo which is being deleted from the gallery, it automatically goes to Dumpster. After going to Dumpster you can restore it. Also you can go to download. Deleting it takes every aspect, means it takes the APK files, it takes the image files, it takes the word file, it takes the videos, it takes everything which is being deleted to that dot text. Also it takes, the main thing is that, so it acts as a recycle bin. It's a great application as per utility is concerned, so do check this application. Also there is link below to download these all applications which I reviewed in this utility aspect. So if you like this video based on all utility applications that would help your day-to-day life to go much smarter and use your smartphone to a fullest use, you can surely check the videos down below for more type of sophistication or more type of tech reviews, etc. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Apart from that, if you have any comments, do comment down on the comment section. Also do subscribe, and please Jai Hind and wait for my next one.